Jasmine Doodle Art. Let's draw and color unicorn. Download the PDF file so we can draw and color together. Are you ready? Let's go! First, start with a circle around. Just be careful while tracing the line. Oops! Draw the shape of the head. Draw the hair from the top of the head. Don't forget the horn. And make sure to trace the other details of the hair and horn. Continue to draw its hair. A long and flowing wavy mane. Oh, cute little ears. Oh, I've changed my mind. Let's continue the hair. It feels like it has a soft and smooth hair. Next is the clouds. It will create a dreamy and fantasy feels to our unicorn. I just love unicorns. They're like the coolest, most magical creatures ever. They have these awesome, sparkly horns and they always look so happy and colorful. When I think about unicorns, I imagine all these amazing adventures in fairy tales and magical places. Oh, don't forget its eyes and nose. Start adding the other details, like small circles and stars. If you like this video and had fun, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. They make me feel really happy and like anything is possible. Plus, they're just so pretty and fun to draw and color. Unicorns are definitely the best. Is it fun to color with me? Because I love coloring with you. You can also watch my other videos and color together. Since we are done drawing it, we will now color the unicorn. I'm using original blush color for the face. But if you don't have this color, you can also use white colored pencil or any color you want for its face. Coloring unicorns is so much fun! I get to use all my favorite colors and make the unicorn look super pretty. It's like bringing a magical creature to life on paper. I have decided to color its horn passion burgundy. I love picking bright colors for the mane, like pink, orange and purple and green, making it a rainbow hair and I super like it. Oh, by the way, I used daily colored pencils color emotions. Colors are named Charming Fuchsia, Mystic Violet, Excited Red and Cool Green. looks so magical. Hey guys, you can also leave us a comment with your suggestions for what you'd like to see in our next drawing and coloring video. If you like princesses, cute animals, candies, or cakes, just let us know. And we will still provide a PDF copy for you to download. And take note, this is for free, so that you can enjoy drawing and coloring with me. And for the finishing touch, I decided to color the circle yellow so that it will create a bright, happy effect in our unicorn. And there it is, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos. Hope to see you on my next video. Goodbye.